I just want to pay a little homage to my camera stand. This is the stand that I got with my Pentax K-1000 back in 1985, the end of 1985. And as you can see, it's had better days. That's broke. I think, is it this one? Yeah, that's broke. This is broke here. Oops. And parts fell out of it last night while I was filming. So unfortunately, it's going to be retired after, wow, almost 40 years. It'll be 40 years in December that I had this. But it's gone. So this is a piece of 1980s technology, just to let you see. And this was really neat because you had a little foot you could change to different cameras, or if you had multiple feet, you could just put them on there, and this was a quick change, so you didn't have to screw it in and stuff. It was really nice, thought out. I don't even know who made it, but goodbye, old and trusty friend.